Hello guys, this is Anonymous again. This is a tutorial again, and the title is Anonymous tutorial Yahoo Masters how to use YM Hellcock by Ghostwire Republica Style Part 2. I made a Part 2 because I just want to make a Part 2. This is the login thing. This is the login thing. See, so you load the boats here, and then you log in. Just click login, and you will see it's logging in. Okay, from there, wait till it's all logged in, then you go to room. From there you go to room, and you may choose if you want to choose a single victim like this. Okay, PM log right there, YM Hell stop. You want to stop the booting, single. Then if you want to room boot, here it is. Okay, there it goes. From there, you want to YM log, YM crush, some optional room boot here, and see, it's all here. Okay, and if you want to step in the BC, use Messy Freezer. Look what happens in the room. As I said, when you click this, all YM users in the room will be booted out in the room. That's how it works. And from Freezer it goes. Let's see, you want to hear what Freezer is going to be like in the BC? Here it is. That's it. Then Messy Freezer, a BC booter. Here it is. See, one left, so one YM users in the room. See, and Neraka ignore. That's just an example of what I'm doing here, so please pay attention. I may not repeat it over and over again. You may post screen in your YouTube videos so you can cope up with me from what I'm doing here. A log, yeah, let's stop it. Then a real-time log. They will hear your voice in the room. If you speak in here, clicking a real-time log, they will hear you step in the BC. When you step Messy Freezers, all YM users in the room will get booted out in the room. When you click Freezer, there goes. It's a messy kind. It's so loud, so try to stop this so they won't hear me talking in the BC. Let's stop this one. So here goes. Ignore users who talk in the room. See, everyone who steps in the BC will be ignored by your YM Hellcock. So that's it. And I miss a thing on this tutorial, then hopefully I'm not. Okay, so this is Anonymous signing out. Bye guys. Bye YouTube.